Finally, I have the new Male Elixir, which I've been really excited to try. So I'm going to do an unboxing here and a first impressions on the video so we can find out how it smells. So let's get this beautiful gold tin opened and see how this smells. Always worried about this falling out when opening. Whoa, look at that, beautiful. So we've got a lovely gold bottle with some bronze transparent stripes in. Really nice, classy bottle. I like that. And I like this. This is different to on the other bottles. This is just pull it out. But this is a bit more, it's thicker and seems better quality than the ones on the other bottles. So let's give this a smell. Spray it on a test strip first, then we can try it on skin, see how it smells. Brilliant atomizer, as are all of the Jean Paul Gaultier Le Male. I mean, that's just brilliant. Oh, so this is very nice. This reminds me of the Male Le Parfum immediately. I get that same kind of DNA, which is great because I love that fragrance. It's one of my favorite date night fragrances, and I think it's one of the best designer fragrances that you could buy in that price point. So this has more mint. It's a bit more vibrant, I think, in the opening than the original, than the Male Le Parfum. It's got something heavier in the base structure of this. It's not cardamom. I mean, the Male Le Parfum has cardamom. Maybe benzoin, maybe amber, something like that. But it's got this stronger character in the base notes, which Le Male Le Parfum doesn't have, which I think will give this greater longevity and also make this more of a cold weather fragrance. Or you could use this maybe as a going out fragrance. That's what it's reminding me of straight away. Le Male Le Parfum is a really great date night fragrance for me. It's one of the ones I love to wear on a date night. It has that spicy, sweet, comforting feeling with vanilla, with cardamom. But this one is a bit heavier. So you've still got vanilla, I think. Vanilla or honey, something like that. But you've got an ambery or benzoin type base, which just give this more strength. And this for me would be more of a going out fragrance. But I think in the winter, this is going to work really well. I'm going to really enjoy wearing this in the winter. Interesting that you would release this just as we're coming into summer. I don't really know what the goal is of that, because this for me seems like a pure winter fragrance. But perhaps this will work really well in summer evenings. I think if you have mint in a fragrance, mint and lavender, which this has, so minty and aromatic, especially in the opening. It's going to be good in the hotter weather as well, but I think you shouldn't be going too many sprays with this in the spring and summer. Let's try it on the hand, see how it develops. Really nice. I really get that strong mint note, especially when it's sprayed on skin. You get that more, actually, when sprayed on skin. And what I'm really impressed so far with this is it's not completely similar to Le Male Le Parfum. It's not going to be in any way redundant to own this and own Le Parfum. They have some similarities and you can tell they're from the same family, but the differences, there's quite a lot of differences as well, which mean that you could own both for sure. Lovely, really nice fragrance. I'm happy with this. I'm going to give it some more test runs, see how it performs, and then we're going to do a full review, and then we can really dive into what situations I think this would work in, and we can also check out the performance as well. So far, really love this fragrance. I love the sweetness mixed with the aromatic, fresh mintiness in the opening. Beautiful fragrance. Can't wait to test it some more. Le Male Elixir. Let me know if you tried it and what you think.